Hello friends, this is DMC and this is just a quick video because I won a prize in a competition on Twitter. The competition was run by a company called Wholesale Coffee Company, which I think is based in Manchester. I'll add links in the description below if anyone's interested in looking into this company. They do good deals on coffee. So the competition was to win this Won A Nespresso Machine, which I was the lucky winner of out of about 1,500 entrants. But also they were kind enough to send me this bag of capsules. There's a mixture of Nespresso and an unknown unlabeled capsules as well, and that's not all. They also sent me this kilo bag of coffee beans, which hopefully will be a nice one because a kilo is a big bag. I've had a quick smell of the bag and it does smell like a nice coffee, so hopefully that's a good one. So look out for reviews of these items in the future, and once again a big thanks to the Wholesale Coffee Company for me, as I say, excellent prizes. I wasn't expecting the capsules or the beans, so thanks a lot for that. And as I say, check them out on Twitter because they run competitions quite regularly on their Twitter. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below about Nespresso machines in general. Myself, I may look into using reusable capsules rather than pay the high price. I'll just fill them with my own coffee. Because they do seem a bit expensive capsules, but I'll look into it and I may do a few reviews in the future of those. So that's it. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. That's all. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.